Alright, hey guys, I'm making another part 2 because if you watched the video before this, which I recommend you watch, my phone died, so I had to charge it and make it again, and it's still running out, so once again I might kill it. And this is what it looked like after I threw all the pieces that went everywhere. And this isn't all we're going to be doing because I'm going to try to keep on dropping it. Oh, some pieces are falling off. I'm going to pick those up after. Let's go back up to the top and drop it again. I'm going to try throwing it at the basketball hoop. Oh, it looked like a piece might have came out when I threw it. There's 2 pieces over there. I can't find the third. Alright. Here's what it looks like now. This ball. I'm gonna try to get some tools to break this more. And see you later. Alright guys, the only thing I could find was this thing with a nail in it. I'm gonna try hitting it. Well, as you can see, that part popped off. And let me go over here. It looks like it has this like nails to there's these screws in there that where you can loosen it and tighten the cube, and it's like a ball thing that they used for thing. Oh, a little piece fell off right there. And it's probably nothing. Well, hope you enjoyed the videos. I'll see you later. Bye.